guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a red and pink Aries look using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I have already gone and done my base and my brows off camera. So let's hop into this. First thing I'm going to be doing is taking the shade Tongue Pop, which is that nice transition shade right there. And I'm just going to pop that on the crease. I apologize for how I look today. Just a heads up. And then I'm going to be taking a smaller blending brush and I think I'm going to mix cherry soda and prick. Put that on the outer V of the eye and blend it into the crease. Ooh, that is nice. I'm just going to take the red residual eyeshadow and run it along the lower eyelid, lash line, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and go in with this nice pink color called a Candy Floss. It's like a shimmery pink. It's a nice lid or highlight color. And I'm kind of just popping it on the eyelid. And then I'm just going to go back in with the blending brush just to soften up the edges. Make sure that it's not too harsh of a shimmer. And I will be posting a picture of this on my Snapchat just so you guys can see how this look actually looks. Next thing I'm going to be doing is taking a small precision blending brush and going in with this like white color. It's called Glucose. And I'm just going to be highlighting my brow bone and inner corner. And I will be posting the username for my Snapchat down in the description box below in case you guys want to take a look at that finished look. So next I'm going to be taking my eyelash curler and just giving my lashes some volume and some length and some curl before I apply my mascara. And I'm just going to be using my Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express. And now time to contour. I'm going to be using the same contour that I always use, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. Just going to do like a light contour today. Not trying to carve my face to the gods. Not today. And now for blush. I'm just going to be taking the lighter shades, this one and this one. Not like a huge blush person, but it's okay if you're going for like a specific look. And then highlighter. And for the lips, I'm going to be using the Too Faced High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in the shade You Up. Alright, that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.